You camera shy, buddy? Chanel. Chanel. You want to look at the camera? Buddy. Buddy. Oh, there you are. Look how cute you are. You got some nasty eye boogers. You can see some brown here. And you smell like bleach and potato chips. That means it's time for a bath. Today's gonna be bath day. Your favorite day. You see these videos of a lot of these Sphynx cats fucking loving baths and loving water. She tolerates it. Yeah, she tolerates them. She's not a big fan of baths. She don't go nuts or nothing. She don't love it. She just fucking tolerates it and deals with it. But yeah, I got some crusty, dirty looking eye boogers. Gross. But yeah, I'm gonna take a video of the bath a little later today. Show you a video of a Sphynx cat that doesn't really care for baths and just tolerates it. Yeah, pretty exciting.